Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you on how to use CapCut on your mobile phone. So to do this, make sure that you have downloaded the CapCut application and then open it. Okay, so let's just wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see at the bottom corner, you'll just have to tap on template. Okay, and then you will see different template here. And then you can also search for a specific template. Just tap on the search bar at the top corner of your screen, and then for example, I'm going to search for travel video template. Okay, and then choose the template that you want to use. For example, this one here. So right after that, you'll have to tap on use template option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, and now you can add the videos or images that you want to appear. And then the second option is to open directly your TikTok application and then use the search icon at the top right corner of your screen, then use for CapCut templates. Okay, that's right. Now you can see the different template here, so just have to tap on the template that you want to use and then tap on the CapCut try this template option. Okay, then tap on use template in CapCut. So right after that, you just have to choose the videos or images that you want to appear to your clip. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.